Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 30, UNIHIKER, Fermion, MEMS smoke gas detection sensor, Mk04. Fermion, MEMS smoke gas detection sensor. Fermion, MEMS smoke gas detection sensor employs state-of-the-art microelectromechanical system, MEMS, technology, endowing the sensor with compact dimensions, low power consumption, minimal heat generation, short preheating time, and swift response recovery. The sensor can measure smoke concentration qualitatively and is suitable for smoke alarm and other application scenarios. Kindly remove the protective film before usage. It is advisable to preheat the module for at least 24 hours. Detection range, 10 to 1000 ppm.
Now the smoke sensor, the programming here, the display here, and sensor the smoke. This Debian and this here the controller here, so is good. And power, so battery for this, so perfect. Now the programming here is smoke sensor here and Python here, the pins here and tools here. This B here and this smoke sensor and attach here, and that's it. This B here, the information here from library here, import the time here, board, and port here, and now board beginning here. This acknowledges the analog here, the smoke here, this and this, UE here, picture here, value for smoke here, read here, and configuration and text here. So perfect, and 1 second, and that's it. Now the B here, the screen here, the sensor, the smoke here, battery here, and cable here, and this the computer here, Debian. So this simple. Now the battery here, the cable. Now this the here. Now good here. Debian here. And here this the screen for programming here, roots here, this here, this here, and Python's here, so here and see. This perfect and the now good. So the sensor for smoke here, and now smoke I think for breakfast, so there's smoke here, and good for smoke is good. So good. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.